There are multiple ways to represent equal fractions. We call these equivalent fractions. So even if a fraction has different numerators and denominators, they could still represent the same value. For example, if you look at the picture below, you'll notice that the first pizza is cut into 4 slices. The second pizza is cut into 8 slices. That means if you get 1 slice from the first pizza, it's the same as getting 2 slices from the second pizza. That shows us that 1/4 is equal to 2/8. Seeing equivalent fractions from pictures is very helpful. However, we won't always have a picture. So we can figure out equal fractions by using multiplication. You'll notice I have 2 fractions written here. 2/3 equals blank out of 6. I want to figure out which fraction would be equal to 2/3 and have 6 on the bottom. We're going to use multiplying. The key is if we multiply the top and the bottom by the same number, we didn't change our value. So let's start by figuring out what we multiplied by. So I'm going to start by looking at the denominator, because that's where I have numbers in both fractions. So I have 3 and 6. I know that in order to get from 3 to 6, I multiply by 2, because 3 times 2 equals 6. Whatever I do to the bottom, I need to do to the top. So I'll multiply the top by 2 as well. 2 times 2 equals 4. So this tells us that 2/3 is equal to 4/6. Let's try another one. 3/5 is equal to what out of 40? This time I put a star as my missing blank. Again, we're going to start by figuring out, well, what do we multiply by? So I'm going to ask myself, 5 times what would give me 40? This might be something you know in your head. Otherwise, remember the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I could also say 40 divided by 5 gives me what? So 40 divided by 5 is 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. If I multiply the bottom by 8, I need to multiply the top by 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So this shows us that 3/5 is equal to 24 over 40.